Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate the iconic elegance of Princess Belle with a modern twist that will have you looking like total royalty. So if you want to know how I create this Belle drip, Princess Belle drip, just watch this video until the end. So first, let's pick the hairstyle. So for the hair, I only use this one curly hair, this one, the pink color in here. And here, I'm going to color it brown, or you can also leave it as it is. But I'm going to just go with this color in here. And then let's create the dress. So for the dress, you are going to wear the code and also currency items. So just go to the fitting room. So first I'm going to put on this dress, but I'm going to only use the skirt and color it yellow like the iconic Belle dress color. So here, this is my hex code, the one that I'm using. You can also copy this, and then I combined it with this long dress in here and color it the same, just like this. And let's go to the women's sections in here. So I'm going to put on the gloves, remove the fur and color it yellow. Then I'm going to put on this puff on the arms, sorry, not that one, this one in here, color it yellow again. And then I'm going to combine it with this top in here. Then choose the same yellow color. And now you are just going to put on some accessories. So for the shoe, I'm going to just wear this. And then I'm going to grab this flowers in here and color it red like roses. But for the leaves, let's make it green, and the rest of them yellow, sorry, red. Okay, now I'm going to just put on the earrings. I'm going to wear this and I'm going to color it yellow like the dress, and you are done. So this is the final look for Princess Belle. So whether you are trolling through a castle or the DTI runway, this look is pure enchanted slay. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more magical outfit inspo in DTI. Bye!